Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of Panology Lab. The market tanked today because there was apparently no stimulus and because the POTUS tweeted. Well, on this channel, you should know that we like to make money in two different directions. So before you freak out and before you think that the whole market is gonna collapse tomorrow or within the next few days, let's take a look at the SPY really quick, okay? Let's just take a brief look at the SPY, and then I'm also gonna teach y'all exactly how y'all could have made money today despite this chaos the easy way, okay? So we're gonna start from the SPY first, and then we're gonna go from easy opportunity to hard opportunity. So the first one is SPY, and this is the SPY. And if you go on the 4 hour time frame, again, the SPY is not breaking this level. It's been like this is the third time that it's refusing to break over this level right here, right there, and right there. Okay, so I personally think that we're gonna try to test it a fourth time. If not, then you should be worried after the stock breaks below this level. If the stock breaks below 333 and starts dropping slowly, then you should be worried. This is actually where I might consider buying puts on this. But until then, like just relax, calm your nerves, okay? And just watch and observe the market as it unfolds. Tomorrow I will make another video about it, another pre-market video between 8 and 8:15 a.m. Central Time. So if you want to hear more of my thoughts on the SPY at that time, definitely wake up early for that one and we will talk about it thoroughly. But for today, the easiest opportunity that y'all could have made money on is on this one. It's actually on BA. Okay. And the opportunity was right here. If you go on the 3 minute time frame and you zoom in right here, what I see, I hope that you see it too, is a bearish triangle right there. It's right here. It's very simple. It's very easy. The appropriate entry was anywhere in here, right there. And then the exit is really dependent on you, whether you want to get out right here, or whether you want to get out right here, or whether you want to be extra greedy, right? And then wait for the bear flag just to either add right here or just wait to the very bottom to collect your puts right here. And if you're looking at this and you're thinking that this is, oh, it's easy to look at it after the fact, and that is so easy, right? But then again, when I tell you that this was easy, I really mean this was easy. Like I was able to grab a screenshot of this before taking this trade. Here it is right here. This is BA, all right, and I was able to get this at exactly 9:50 a.m., 20 minutes before the drop, and I even had my alert right here. So again, this was like the most easiest opportunity throughout this entire day that you could have taken on. And the way to make money as things drop, especially for beginners, is by buying put options. And if you look at the option chain right here, you can see that all of the puts are green. Okay. As the stock drops, the put contracts get more expensive, and there you go. So this is the first opportunity right here to make money as it drops. So the second one for today, right, is FE. And FE, the pattern on here is actually on a 3 minute time frame again, and it's right here. The pattern is right there. Let me zoom in closely just so that y'all can see it. It's right there. Okay, it's a very bullish triangle, and the appropriate entry to get in is right in here. Okay, and all you had to do is either collect your money here, or if you want to be extra greedy, you can collect your money here or collect your money here. It really didn't matter, but the pattern was there. It's right here. Now the hardest one, right, which I think a lot of y'all gonna get a kick out of this, like y'all gonna like this one. The last one is Apple. Okay, the last one is Apple. So Apple, we're gonna look at it thoroughly. All right, from the very beginning, we're gonna look at it. So here's Apple, and the first opportunity. to make money on Apple today, right, is actually right there. If you take the drawing tool, if you plot this, you can clearly see that there is a bearish pennant right there. Okay, bearish pennant, and then you get in right here, right there, with puts, of course, puts to make money on the way down. And then the market actually gives you two opportunities to get out of that trade profitably. Again, these opportunities are for day traders, all right? These ones are for day traders. So the first opportunity to get out is right here. The second opportunity to get out is right here again. So this entire zone was the first and second opportunity to make money on the way down. Now, the second opportunity to make money on Apple again is on the 3 minute time frame again. If you look at it holistically, there is a left shoulder right here, a head, and a right shoulder right here. And the appropriate entry for this trade was right there, right here at like 1 o'clock, at 1:10, and just all the way up. This one is with calls, okay? This trade is with calls. Calls is to make money on the way up. And as you can see, the stock moved just right all the way up to the price target. And for those of you who've been following this channel, who have been subscribing to the channel, you should know that the price target is almost always up here. There is no surprises, all right? And this is the second opportunity to make money on the way up, which is actually very connected to the third opportunity to make money on Apple. So if you look at Apple again, right, the third opportunity to make money on this is right here, right there, okay, with put options. And this one is really, really hard, but it's not impossible to predict. And once again, if you've been subscribing to the channel, I talked about something very similar, okay? And the stock that I talked about was CWH. Yeah, CWH. If you go on the 4 hour time frame and you zoom in right here, I talked about this before. I showed y'all this. As you can see, there is the left shoulder, the head right here, and the right shoulder right here. The stock did exactly what I wanted to do, and it went all the way up to the price target right here. And then right when it got there, this was the perfect opportunity to nail those puts on the way back down, just like Apple right here on the 3 minute time frame. Okay, this entire sequence, this entire day was just a very, very nice day. And this is pretty much how you make money in both directions. Again, on this channel, we make money in both directions. And yeah, learn to be flexible, learn to not have a bias in the market, and also learn to put yourself in the shoes of the people on the other side. And by the people on the other side, that means that if you're a buyer, you should think about the sellers. And if you're a short seller, you should think about the buyers. It's a very, very simple concept. So again, this one is kind of like a brief tutorial just so that y'all can like learn something instead of me rambling on about my thoughts and opinions of the stimulus and what's gonna happen within the next few days. So regardless of what happens, just remember that on this channel, we make money in two directions, and you should never, ever, ever freak out. So that is my response to what you should do now, especially after experiencing this little crash that everybody is freaking out about. Again, just keep your eyes open, and if you got value from this video, again, don't forget to destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm, as always. And also, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell. I do post pre-market analysis in the mornings around 8 and 8:15. So definitely stay tuned for that. And if you are not following us on social media, my links are right here. You can find me at Paul Nguma or at Patternology Lab, all right, on Instagram and on Twitter, okay? And if you're not registered with some brokers, there is some links down below to Robinhood and Webull. You can get 2 free stocks with Webull from using the link below and for signing up if you're looking to get started in the stock market. And you can also get 1 free stock from Robinhood as well if you use the link below. Once again, my name is Paul Nguma with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns in patterns only. And I will see all of you tomorrow morning, 8 a.m.